WBF fam, this is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions. Beats and Feasts. You know it's time for another video. So today we're just gonna do something very simple, but really nostalgic, for at least for me anyway. We're gonna do good old Red Hot Franks, or what my dad used to call them, Big Reds. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, Google it. But hey guys, it's a very simple recipe. It's not even a recipe, it's just very simple. I'm gonna show you the way I do it nowadays. I'll explain the way my dad used to do it. But hey, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video, guys. Let's get started with some Big Reds. The supporting cast is as follows. It's not even really a recipe. It's already done for you. So we got my Big Red Franks. Now there's different companies that make these. I like to stay with the Stadium Big Reds. There's Franks also. I think there's a couple other ones. But wherever you get them in your area, check out the different brands. Some hot dog buns. Back in the day, we didn't use hot dog buns. We just used regular bread. But I'm going to put them on some buns today. I got some ketchup, some mustard, and some pickle relish. That's all I usually put on them. Most of the time, I don't put ketchup on them. Just the mustard. But I'll show you how I do them today. I'm going to be doing this on my Steelmadeusa griddle. And if you want one of these, make sure you follow the first link in my description. It'll take you right over there to their website. It will give you 10% off their purchase. So go check it out. I love it. Alright guys, and so on the Steelmade, I'm just going to be putting these on right on the grill. On a medium heat. Just like this. Once I get some nice brownness and you start to see the casing come away, then I will, I'll split them in half and I'll show you that. But my dad used to boil them. And I used to think, well, I think now, I was like, a lot of the flavor gets boiled away. So I started doing them in the frying pan now that I got the Steelmadeusa grill. Of course, I'm going to do them on my griddle. But we're just going to put them on medium-low heat. Let the casing start to fall off, then I'll show you how I treat them next. Big Red Hots are on the grill here, and you start to see the casing start to come away, starting to get a little char on them. So when I get to this point, I like to take them, I'm going to leave the casing there, but I like to take them, just cut them in half, right down the middle. Spread them open, flip them over. Just like that. Flip them. You see that casing starting to come off? We're going to take that off here in a minute. There we go. Let's get some of that char on the inside. And we're going to let those cook for a little bit. Taking the casing off, when you get to a certain point of the cooking process, the casing will damn near just fall off. So it's easy to tell when to take it off. It's easy to get off. Slides right off. But it'll start to bubble up and you'll see that. But I got my Red Hots, turning them over. You see I got that char on them. That's what I'm looking for. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to plate these up for you guys. Don't get more nostalgic than this for me. Good old Big Red Franks. Some potato chips. I ain't even going to say no more. All I'm waiting for is that bite. You know that. Big Red Hot Franks on the flat top, my Steelmadeusa griddle. Turns your stove top into a flat top in a matter of seconds. If you want one, click on the first link in the description or follow the link that I have here on the screen. It'll take you right to them and give you 10% off your next purchase, guys. Hey guys, but you know I'm waiting for this bite. Ooh, let me get into it. I'm sorry, Pops, but you gotta do them in on the skillet or on the flat top. It's better than boiled. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video, guys. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.